Hi, I'm Deven Sellers. Welcome to Construction Conversations. We're in colonial Williamsburg, Virginia, and today's conversation, framing. Let's get into it. Framing is the backbone of your home. Mitchell Homes and our supply partners go to extensive lengths to ensure that the structure of the home is long-lasting. When determining framing materials, we take into consideration local codes, span, live and dead loads, and wind speed. Most engineers and counties require an L/360, which is the amount of deflection placed on your floor system. At Mitchell Homes, we engineer all floors at L/480, which limits the amount of deflection tolerance. To do that, we use an I-joist floor system with 11 7/8 tall floor joists at 19.2 inches on center. In addition to the engineered floor system, we use a 3/4 inch thick, 4 foot by 8 foot sheet of oriented strand board. This particular product has a coating on it that provides water resistance for the life of the home. All the dimensional lumber that we use in Mitchell Homes are a spruce pine fir, or SPF number 2. 2x4s are spaced 16 inches on center. All of our dimensional framing is 16 inch on center unless otherwise noted. In our laundry rooms, we use a 2x6 just for the mechanical wall to allow for the dryer box and the washer and dryer hookups. When it comes to structure, we use what's called an EWP, an engineered wood product. It's a wood beam in essence. And what that does is that transfers load down to the floor system and the footings down below in the crawl space or basement. As you can see here, we utilize bracing material to keep all of your walls level and plumb. When it comes to structure, we have a header. And what a header does is it spans a distance. Those header sizes are determined by an engineer. Those can go anywhere from 2x8 all the way up to EWP, or an engineered wood beam. This is our truss system. All of our trusses are spaced 24 inches on center, unless we have a specific load requirement that might call for a double or triple ply truss where 1, 2, or 3 trusses are put together to allow for a greater span. After your trusses are installed, we tie the roof in with 7/16 OSB. All of our houses are outfitted with Simpson hardware, pieces of structural metal that hold the house together. This is a hurricane clip. All the truss tails get fastened this way. You'll notice behind me a gusset strap. That's the connector that holds all the trusses together. There's a multitude of straps that we install after the framing is complete that really holds this house together and keeps it tight. We're always trying to innovate. One of the examples of that is this weather barrier system. What this does is this replaces the need for a whole house wrap. After the sheathing is installed, we use this weather tape over all of our seams, both horizontal and vertical. This creates an airtight seal inside the home to make your home more efficient and tight inside. All of our supers walk the house with a straight edge prior to drywall. All that means is they get a straight edge 2x4 or a level, run it across the plane of the wall to see if there's any bowed studs to ensure that all your walls are level and plumb. When you build with Mitchell Homes, we offer a wide variety of options. One of the other things that makes us unique though is you can customize every plan to suit your needs, whether you need a wider than normal model, a deeper than normal model, an extra bedroom, a bigger laundry room. We can do it all in the frame and design stage. That's a wrap on framing. Thank you for joining this construction conversation.